Welcome back to the channel Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of February. And first of all, national news. Madhya Pradesh man in Pakistan jailed since 2019 returned to India. German Chancellor calls to visit India on February 25 to 26. Tender process for Vaishno Devi Shrine Ropeway project in final phase. Supreme Court turned down request seeking minimum age for marriage. Australia PM in India next month may watch fourth test with PM Modi, a report said. Sulking aide resigned from Nitish Kumar's JDU, launch new party. Window to edit application for medical exam NEET to close today. Supreme Court asked Delhi police to file charge sheet in hate speeches case. Obey to introduce 25,000 electronic vehicles in India amid clean car push. The temperature in the national capital is likely to rise up to 33 degrees Celsius in the coming days. Drone delivered pension to person with disability in remote ODISHA village. Justice Sanjay Kumar Mishra took oath as 14th Jharkhand Chief Justice. PM Modi promised large-scale investments in Uttarakhand. And 14 Indian states on list of world's top 100 facing huge climate risk. Turkey ambassadors thank you note for India's valuable help after earthquake. And now some international news. Biden's surprise Kyiv visit. Putin thought Ukraine was weak, dead wrong. In Kyiv, Joe Biden pledged $500 million to support Ukraine against Russia. Paris transit body seeking thousands new employees ahead of Olympics 2014. Pak ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan to appear in court in case linked to violent protest. Top China diplomat to visit Russia as Beijing told US to stop interfering. North Korea fired 2 more missiles into its Pacific firing range. As G20 chair, India to host series of roundtables at United Nations. China said never interfered in Canadian elections. Don't accept finger pointing on China-Russia ties, Beijing on US claim. And now some sports news. That's leadership. Bollywood star in awe of Rohit Sharma's selfless act for Cheteshwar Pujara. Not a rule breaker or trend setter, Sania Mirza opened up ahead of final tennis event. Harmanpreet Kaur became the first cricketer ever to play 150 T20 international as she took the field for India against Ireland in a women's T20 World Cup match. India will face Ireland in their final group stage match in the ICC Women's T20 World Cup. Now news related to business. Sensex gained 165.9 points in early trade. Nifty rises to 17,979.45. Rupee gained 10 paise to close at 82.72 against US dollar. Center taking steps to control inflation. Nirmala Sitharaman. Ola planned to build world's largest electric vehicle hub in Tamil Nadu. RBI will take action as required to control inflation. Nirmala Sitharaman. Vedanta's debt cut plan at risk as India opposed $3 billion asset sale. Pakistan's current account deficit falls 90% to $0.2 billion in January. News from science and technology. The Sparkler, astronomers discovered distant galaxy that mirrors the early Milky Way. How evolution works, scientists developed a novel metric of molecular evolution. And that's all in news. Thank you.